Africa and the whole world. The best governor, rated as the best governor, Governor Cecil Mbarire. Karibu sana, Madam Chair.
Thank you very much, SG. The President of the Republic of Kenya and the party leader of the United Democratic Alliance, His Excellency Dr. William Samoei Ruto, the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya and the Deputy Party Leader of UDA, His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua, the National Executive Committee members, Honorable Council members, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Hamjambo. Hamjambo tena. Wacha tusalimiane salamu za UDA. 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 Kazi ni kazi. Kazi ni kazi. Asanti sana. I want to start by thanking our party leader, His Excellency President William Ruto, for entrusting me with the responsibility of chairperson UDA party. Today I'm attending the first NGC as a chairperson, and it is indeed a remarkable honor for me and the women of this country, as it reflects the President's commitment to promoting and empowering women in leadership. This demonstrates that our party leader is not only a visionary leader, but also one who recognizes and values diversity and inclusivity in the political space. Your Excellency, asante sana, and I want to tell you that I have taken my role well. I have been steering the National Executive Committee meetings, the National Steering Committee meetings, and I can assure you that the NEC members and the NSC members are extremely, extremely committed to matters relating to the party. We have never had quorum hitches. They always come almost 100% at any one time. Thank you, sir. Secondly, I want to extend my congratulations to all our party members for their outstanding achievements in the 2022 elections. UDA garnered 808 MCA positions, 128 members of parliament, 32 senatorial positions, and we have also managed 20 governors elected from UDA. And at this point, Your Excellency, let me tell you that out of the 20 governors, 4 are women in UDA. And it is the first time that one single party has produced that number of female governors. We appreciate. Also, Your Excellency, out of the 28 MPs elected from single-member constituencies, female MPs, 12 are members of the UDA party. So there's no doubt that this is the future party, the party of the women of Kenya, and this is the party that consciously nurtures the strength and the potential of women leaders to get to where they want to be. Kina mama hoye! Kina mama hoye! Thank you, Your Excellency, for being an extremely gender-sensitive president. We appreciate. I want to appreciate all our members for their tireless effort. Your Excellency, the success of the hard work of these honorable members is due to their dedication and commitment. We have demonstrated to the nation that UDA stands for unity, inclusivity, and opportunities for all, young and old, from all parts of this great nation of Kenya. I want to appreciate all our members for their tireless efforts in mobilizing support for the UDA party and our presidential candidate, His Excellency Honorable William Ruto. Your dedication and unwavering belief in the party's mission and vision resulted to our ultimate victory, garnering the presidency. We delivered what we wanted, but we have a lot more work ahead of us. Your Excellency, I want to assure these honorable members that we have agreed as a party, we are going to work hard to support the agenda of the UDA party and the Kenya Kwanza government and make sure we become the best ambassadors for all our programs at the grassroots level. And Your Excellency, we have also decided in fostering unity. The party will never do an activity in your ward, in your constituency, in your county without involving you. You'll be central in what we do as a party going forward. We have involved you before, but we'll even involve you more going forward. Because were it not for you and the many supporters you have left behind, the party would not be what it is today. Our journey did not end with elections. As members of the UDA party, we have a significant responsibility to support the president's agenda and implement the Kenya Kwanza government's plans for the people of Kenya. Our role as leaders at the national and county level is crucial in shaping the future of this nation. Let us continue to work diligently to make Kenya a better place for all citizens. As we look to the future, I want to encourage all Kenyans to participate actively in the upcoming grassroots elections, seek vacant elective positions, and run a peaceful and issue-based campaign. Our party thrives in the involvement of its members at all levels of government. It's only through active engagement and teamwork that we can bring about real change. Your Excellency, as I conclude, I want to take up from where Senator Sakaja wa Kanairo has left. Oh, Governor Sakaja, I'm very, very sorry. You've been senator for too long, but I want to agree with him when he says that it's about time, Your Excellency, you had a sitting with our 808 MCAs. And Your Excellency might please that uwaite State House, wakae hapo, wajienjoy, waongee na wewe, wakwambie shinda zao, ndio tuweze kwenda mbele. And Your Excellency, as the governors of UDA, and because I'm a governor, we strongly believe it's about time we gave the assemblies independence, and we strongly believe it's time we entrench the ward development fund in the Constitution so that these great men and women can be able to deliver on their promises to the electorate. We just need to agree on a formula that is able to keep the wards and the counties on top. Your Excellency, that's not too much. We believe that MCAs are the most important grassroots leaders for this country. So, Your Excellency, with those few remarks, may I conclude by letting us remember that we are part of a political movement that is driven by the desire to transform Kenya. Let us continue to uphold the principles and values of the UDA party, and let us always remain united in our quest for a prosperous, inclusive, and just Kenya. Thank you. May God bless the UDA party. May God bless this country. And may God bless our party leader and deputy party leader. UDA oye! UDA oye! Asanteni sana.